Welcome to the Knowledge Catalog, and in this video, we are going to discuss what must be included in the running head and the title page of APA 6 format. The running head must contain a short version of the title of the paper and it must not exceed 50 characters, including spacing and punctuation. As you can see in this sample, the very first thing you see at the topmost is called the running head, and then the second line and the third line actually it is a title, and then underneath that comes the author's name, and then under that is the institutional affiliation of the author or authors if they are, two or more. So for the first detail, we have the title of the paper. It must not be more than 12 words in length, and it should not contain abbreviations or words that serve no purpose. Okay, so you have to be very careful in thinking about the 12 words that you are going to include as the title of your paper. Okay, that is actually a lot of work, pero it is possible as proven by so many researchers already. The next detail is the author's name. We must never include the titles or the degrees that are being held by the authors. So as you can see in this example, you only have Purdue Pete or your name. If your name, say for instance, is as simple as Juan de la Cruz, then Juan B de la Cruz, then you just have to put Juan B de la Cruz because you're supposed to follow the format first name, middle initial, and last name. The next detail is the institutional affiliation of the author. So it should indicate the location where the author conducted the research. So say for instance, if you belong to a university, then you must include or you must write the name of the university, the complete name of the university. Say for instance, in my case, I may be writing a study that is going to be submitted or it's going to happen in Pampanga State Agricultural University. I am going to write Pampanga State Agricultural University and not PSAU. An extra part of the title page is the date. Some universities are requiring the inclusion of a date, some naman are not. So this is much like an extra part. So some institutions, when they require dates, they are going to ask the author or authors to indicate the month and the year of submission, the completion of the paper itself. So it may appear like August 2020 or say July 2015. You're just going to see those kinds of details. Okay, so I hope that you are going to keep in mind that it is important to follow the strict rules, the guidelines for writing a research paper. Actually, in this specifically, the American Psychological Association's 6th edition. You will be actually seeing a lot of guidelines, a lot of online resources on how are you going to do your step-by-step writing to succeed, any research subject. So this has been CJ and another video for the Knowledge Catalog Education Solutions. Thank you so much.